Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the Han River of Da Nang. And I believe somewhere there has to be the new second tallest building in Vietnam. I mean, they started it somewhere here. I'm not sure where it is, guys. Is it at this wheel or is it somewhere there? I want to walk around there and check it out, but I don't know exactly where it is. Somewhere over there. But not today, guys. Next week. We're gonna take a stroll now here on the Han River on an area I've never been before. I've been into this coffee shop one time, Anytime workstation. I had a coffee there, actually 2 times. Lots of people in there working as well. Maybe it's something like a co-working space too, maybe upstairs. Lots of people sitting there with the laptops. Now I'm wondering what will be here in this street, because I've never walked here. I only go to the other side. I've never been here in this street. So we have a coffee, another coffee shop. That's good. My type of coffee shop. I like that. And we're gonna continue straight on and check out what's up here. This is also a very nice area to live here. In the My An. Lots of My An streets. And it's pretty nice at this time of the day. It's nice and shady, and it's not that hot if you walk around here. But in the afternoon, the sun will go over there. The pavement is not bad, but not good. Look at this. Now we have an obstacle here. Now we have to go out again. Look at this bike. What is going on here? It's a bike shop and a recycling plant. A billiard place. Okay. You can play pool here and have a coffee. Maybe we'll find a new nice food place here. What is this? Oh, rice dishes. Interesting. Banduk. What is this? Okay. Huh. Okay. I'm not sure what this is. I mean, this is maybe porridge? Guys, it looks like I want to try it out. There's a goat over here. Maybe this is a goat restaurant. Huh. Lots of goats everywhere. I think this is like a beer place, a beer and fun place. Yeah, there you can have lots of beer and snacks. There are some apartment buildings here as well. Nice balconies over here. The free land here. They also started to cut the trees right before the typhoon season or the storm season. So this is a very good sign. Very good. So when a storm comes, it will not be that much of a chaos. Oh jeez. But it's very bad to walk around here. Look at this, there are even more beer places. And a 35K pho. $1.10 for a bowl of pho. Pho? That's pretty cheap. So as you can see here, you cannot really walk over there that much. So you actually, if you just want to walk, you have to be on the riverside. You see? This is how they clean the plates and everything right in front of the store. And look at this, who we have here, CVR. Shout out to Austin. Still have to make a video of him. It's like a real estate company. So what is this? Antu Kong Chua. This is where we're gonna walk now. Let's check out what's over there. And how's the pavement? Oh, what is this? I think this is a coffee shop or something. Oh, it's a brand new coffee shop. It's a brand new spot here, guys. Look at this. That looks nice here. Oh, no course yet. But they just opened up, as you can see here. F Cafe. They also have indoor area. Looks nice here. And another Sun Coffee. Okay. So, guys, don't worry, you will always have a coffee here in Vietnam. Indoor, outdoor, with AC, with fan. So I'm wondering what this here is on the side. What is this gonna be? I don't know. There's just lots of grass. No one uses this land properly. Huh. Maybe they should make a park or something. So you can walk through the greenery. But it's right between this residential area. Oh, it's a nice villa. Right beside, between the residential area and this main street that also goes to a big bridge. Some small houses over here, usually family houses. Not that many businesses here, to be honest. Oh wow, this is a big apartment building here, I believe. Or it's a hotel maybe. We'll find out. Chai Kom. That's a vegetarian rice place. Guys, there's so many. Every time you see the chai, you know it's vegan or vegetarian. What is this here? Mom's Kitchen. What is this? Free Wi-Fi. All right. Seafood noodles, shrimp fried rice, beef noodles. Okay, so this is a restaurant here, guys. Huh. I could imagine some of those restaurants are very good. But yeah, if you want to be always safe, get my Google Maps guide, guys. RHM Luxury Da Nang. All right. But it has 4 stars here, so maybe this is a hotel. Huh. My baby. Maybe that's like a kindergarten or something. Most likely, yeah. Oh wow, look at this. I drove by it so often, I'm like, where is it, where is it? And now I'm finally here, walking towards it. Look at this beautiful, big Buddha statue here. I'm gonna try to be in the shade here for that. And look at this. It's amazing. Just like a super random street. So I guess this is a nice little pagoda. Beautiful. There also looks very nice in there. And look at this. Last time in the last video we also saw it, but I couldn't find the app to it. So I'm wondering, how can I book this car? I really want to book this car. This is exactly what I want to ride around, not in the Grab cars anymore. Huge Buddha statue here. Very nice. I think it's the same as on the mountain, right? On Sonja? Not sure. But now we're just getting super random here. What is this? What is this? What does it mean? What does it mean, guys? Please comment below. Is this like they wanted to do it like that, or is it just they throw it there? Oh God. They're wasps. Yes, this is, my God, this is like this is very bad here. So they're using this as a big trash can here. Littering, because there's no trash can here anywhere. You can see here an old motorbike seat. Oh God. This is, you know why it is even worse than just a random place? It's next to a very beautiful pagoda. You have this just garbage pile of land here. And now you have a beautiful, this is how this land should look like. Look at this. A nice little vegetable farm or whatever. I don't even know what exactly that is. What is it, guys? Do you know? But this is how this land should look like, not like stupid plastic trash. Whoever owns this land, please empty it and do this out of it. If you don't want to use it, just give it the land and let them put more vegetables in. Ah, that looks good. And here, you can see this is not a really touristy place, even though, look at this, this is a beautiful pagoda. It could be a touristy place, right? Like make it a little bit nice and put some groups in there. You can see here, no one takes care of the sidewalk. They use the sidewalk, they don't even put on motorbikes on it. There's nothing on it but grass. There we have more vegetables over there. I'm wondering if there's like a stand where you can buy those vegetables. Those looks like the electric plant or something. Ah, now we are back in the Mian streets here. Very calm and quiet. Ah. I think I walked in this street one time. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna get a Grab. It's too sunny for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you on the next one. Check out this video.